Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features and a good deal. Features also include rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.